Yeah, hello guys. Good day to you all. And all right, so you're welcome to another video of mine. So I'm going to be presenting what are things that I'm basically looking out for when it comes to gold, basically in regards to how the market is moving at present. And I just feel I should give my explanation to certain things that we're looking out for. I've seen a lot of people commented and say, so far so good. We're looking into a downward trend, a downward um, movement, a bearish movement in the market in regards to gold as a moment. And but for me, I just still feel that it's quite important to understand where the market is heading from, what are the yardsticks behind it, and what the big guy in question is also looking out for. All right, it's not about you just looking at the few aspect, but then you're looking at it compressingly as a whole or on what the market is basically doing. And this is why my bias is still basically bullish. Okay, so also last year we did this very nice move up, and towards December we had this massive drop. All right, now coming to January we begin to see some sellers pressure, but then despite this sellers pressure, has it been able to take care of these buyers that picked up last year? Basically not. So in respective of where the market is ending to, my bias still remains with this guy overall to the bullish side. And this is what I'm basically looking at. And this is why a lot of people who are trading have also has to be very careful. All right. So I'm looking at, let's see what happened after this push to the downside. There was massive push to the downside, but then was there a response from the buyers? And yeah, pretty much good response, maybe slightly response, all right? And a lot of people will see these on the lower time frame, and then they will see these as a breakout. All right, let's see this as a breakout and price breakout of that zone. So hence, price should continue to head to the downside. But what you're not seeing is could this be a breakout? Okay, now looking at it from this perspective, we see price push down back into this region where we had a initial stop, all right, and then price pushed off, retested on that, and price pushed off. And since then, price has never broken below this level. It came retested and the buyers responded. It came again very strongly, and did price close? Yeah, it did close, but the response was instantly. So price really closed above again. So as this level becomes for me a fake out. All right, a fake out. And if you're probably going to a little more higher time frame, you probably might see that as a week. And this is why you need to be very careful. Very careful, guys. So now a week right here, more or less like price just came down, tested that level and spiked back up. So hence, the level still retains its potential of Wolf's territory. Yeah, there's the guy who owns this territory and is still in his environment. So anybody looking at this on the lower time frame and saying, yeah, this is a breakout and price should head down, might have to think twice. You need to understand who is in control of the market itself. So if you don't have the idea of whose control is, whose territory, you probably might be jumping into a wrong conclusion, and that's going to be very dangerous. All right. So hence, I'm still on my bias on these as the bias territory. So I'm looking forward to more buys on this. I'm pretty much sure the price will continue to head up. So having said that, you need to understand whose territory. This is for me a fake out, a false breakout. All right, so price should push back up. Yeah, but then technically I'm not saying that's what's going to happen overall, but I'm looking at it from a point of view as to whose territory and whose side am I on. Am I going to be in the side of retail traders who will look at this and say, oh, that was a very big, strong sell. But then for the big guy, this is what we call money spot, right? Create an illusion for a lot of people to see this as a possible opportunity to sell and then buy from them, and price will help back up. So if you learn anything, try as much as possible to follow us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, and let's learn together. So guys, that's it for me. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you very much. God bless you.